इंडियन स्काउट गाइड फेलोशिप की तरफ से मैं आप सभी को हार्दिक फेलोशिप ग्रीटिंग्स देती हूँ। और ये आज हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि साउथर्न रेलवे का नया स्टेट हमारी शाखा में जुड़ने जा रहा है। जब कोई नया जुड़ता है, नए मेंबर्स आते हैं तो बहुत खुशी होती है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो ये आज हमारा बहुत खुशी का दिन है। मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ और हम शुरू करेंगे प्रेयर के साथ।
दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। हमारे ज्ञान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर, हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, सदा ईमान हो सेवा, वो सेवक चर बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जान फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
Of South Western Railway State SGF for welcome address and recognition. Shri Premnath ji, Mr. Premnath.
Good evening, everyone. I am A.S. Premnath, LT Rover, working president of South Guide Fellowship South Western Railway. On this occasion, I take the special privilege in welcoming the R. Bhaskaran sir, PCST Southern Railway, who is going to be installed as president of the Fellowship Southern Railway. Also welcome Sri M.A.K. Miki, National President and Executive of Indian Scout Guide Fellowship. I welcome Madam Seema Rete, National Secretary. I also welcome Sri Chandrakant Sakia, President of Guide Fellowship and State Chief Commissioner, NF Railway. Madam Padmani Pillai, National Treasurer and DGM Finance Rail Project. I welcome Sri Devendra Secretary, IAGF, Sri Bikram Singh, Working President, South Guide Fellowship, Southern Railway, and Vice Presidents, Resources, State Organizers, State Treasurers, and Joint Secretary, and all the other office bearers and members of Scout Guide Fellowship, Southern Railway. Today we have all virtually gathered for installation ceremony of President Scout Guide Fellowship, Southern Railway. Without any ado, let us begin this ceremony. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Chandranath Sakia ji, President, Indian Railway SGF.
Good evening, everybody. I also welcome all of you to this special occasion when one of our railway units is going to be officially installed today. Well, as we all know, Indian Scout Guide Fellowship is doing a wonderful job. In fact, we are in the midst of a pandemic, but still the SGF has been doing exemplary work, as is our motto, of course. And within the SGF, Indian Railway unit also hold a place of importance because we are following the same scheme as of Bharat Scouts and Guides. We also have similar format of recognizing all the civil states as one state each in terms of Scout Guide Fellowship, and similarly all the railway zonal units are also recognized as a Scout Guide Fellowship state. So in this situation, in fact, our role has increased further. And for our railway fraternity, I would like to say one thing, that yes, our PSG organization is quite strong. There are some hurdles in forming or properly carrying out the activities in SGF in the railway units, but we are gradually overcoming this under the central leadership, doing wonderful work. And at the same time, we must realize that we have Wardai also works, and WASUM, we have collaboration with them, and at the national level also we have collaboration with the Bharat Scouts and Guides. We are working as a unit, subsidiary unit of them. And we must remember that SGF gives us a further opportunity, because in railways, though, even after retirement, there is provision for retaining some activities in the form of, some officials, but SGF will give you a lifelong opportunity to all the members, and we all can also, take dual membership. With this, I now, in fact, congratulate the Southern Railway unit and those who will be, in fact, today officially put to different offices. And I am sure this railway unit as a SGF unit will do wonderful work. Gradually, our units are increasing, and I am sure the rest of the units will also be formed shortly. And we all must combine together to work as a team under the central leadership, and also in coordination with the Bharat Scouts and Guides. I am also, in fact, a part of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, as has already been told. Best wishes to all of you, the new office bearers, whom we are going to see shortly. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for briefing about Indian Scout Guide Fellowship. Now I request our Executive President, Mr. Mackey, for briefing about Indian Railway SGF and formation of State Council.
My Scout greetings to every one of you, whoever is listening, and also my respects to Mr. Saikia sir, the President of the Indian Railway SGF, as well as Mr. Bhaskaran, who is boarding fellowship once again after reaching Southern Railway. It is a quite pleasant pleasure for the Indian SGF. Mr. Bhaskaran is the founder president of the South Western Railway Scout and Guide Fellowship 6 months back. Now he is leading another state, being another founder president for the Southern Railway. Congratulations, sir. This is a second opportunity for you to be with us. On this occasion, I would like to say a few things. To be more specific, the railway. Thank you. So, being a railway SGF, Indian Scout Guide Fellowship respect the railways very much. The reason, the railways is one of the area where the Scouts Guides have very real value of scouting reimposed among the wards and also among the officials as well as the serving employees. So when we see from the purview of the Indian SGF, we feel railways can do better job than the civil states. Before the Bharat Scouts and Guides recognized the new zones, Indian Railway SGF began to recognize right from the earlier days. And back to Southern Railway, Bhaskaran sir should know, the fellowship got approved by the Railway Board when we were in Southern Railway Tiruchirappalli Jamboree. During the Tiruchirappalli Jamboree, it is the Railway Board which agreed our request, and our approval with the Railway Board is approved under Mr. V. Karmalas. Those days, Mr. Karmalas used to be the state chief of Southern Railway from ICF. There our official journey with the Railway Board began. So Southern Railway has a very important place in the Indian Scout and Guide Railway Fellowship. So the third point, what I would like to say is, Indian Railway, every division we treat like a district as per the norms. Only the production unit will get the status of the district, not the workshops, other things can be. They all should be part of the working division. So today, Mr. Bikram has taken an effort to invite members from the Salem, Palakkad, Trivandrum, Tiruchi, Madurai, Chennai, and also other areas. That means Southern Railway is joining officially from all the division under Mr. Bhaskaran as the state SGF. The last one, I would like to say two things to Mr. Bhaskaran, sir. The council what today installed has a responsibility to make the fellowship reach every division of Southern Railway within next 6 months. A small council of the district should be formed at every divisional level. Within 6 months, you should convene in a meeting of special general assembly where your council will be regularized as a permanent council for the next 3 years. This is the beginning of the new story of the Southern Railway. We have an ICF Integral Coach Factory. Chennai is already having a unit. Officially, the Southern Railway can have a talk with the people among the ICF district, and you can request them or you can take their opinion whether they want to be independent or they want to be with the Southern Railway. This is a process what we can be taken up. Remaining things, already I circulated constitution to Mr. Bikram and all his team members. Thank you for being with us. Once again, I thank for Mr. Saikiaji for expressing his very clear picture of the prelude of the Indian SGF. I congratulate before Mr. Bhaskaran takes up. I have met you personally. I have seen your temperament. I have seen your spirit. Indian Fellowship will be more privileged to have back you with you for a gap of 2 months. Hope the next Indian Railway presidential meet what we are proposing. During the August, we are proposing to invite all the Indian Railway state president to have a talk with Supreme Court justices and our National President, Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir, and also our ambassadors, maybe film stars or the cricket things, and Hari Prasad Chaurasia ji. We are going to have a small meeting virtually with all the state presidents. Hope to see all of you there. Till then, best wishes, best fellowship to the Southern Railway, especially to Bhaskaran sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for briefing. Now I request Mr. Bikram Singh, Working President, for installation ceremony with assistance of Kennedy.
Yeah. Respected President, who is going to be installed as President, Mr. Bhaskaran sir, Mr. Mekki sir, and all other dignitaries. Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Mekki sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Mekki sir and all other dignitaries of national headquarters and the officers who are going to join us in the State Council, Southern Railway State Council, and my dear Southern Railway Council members and all other participants in this virtual forum. Good evening, one and all. Now, before introducing the State Council members and the office bearers, I would like to say one small aspect that keeping in my mind that ISGF is going to support the Bharat Scouts and Guides at all times. And that is one of the aim, apart from the social service activities. Keeping this, I started to collect members so that it will be an additional support for the Southern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Keep this in my mind. I started to work on this responsibility. So from that, I have picked some handful of persons from all the divisions who can support our Southern Railway State SGF. Now, I would like to introduce all the members who have been included in this state council. Let us start with the Palakkad division. From Palakkad division, Mr. Srivalsan, he is the senior TIA Palakkad. Mr. Srivalsan, so I think is not available. So next is from TVC division, Mr. Sanal Kumar. He is also senior TIA from TVC. Mr. Sanal Kumar.
Can you hear me, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes. Mr. Sanal Kumar. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Next. Good evening, Mr. Sanal Kumar. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next from Salem division, Mr. Lawrence. He is Deputy SMR Commercial, Coimbatore. Mr. Lawrence.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you. Next is from Madurai, Mr. Sabari. He is the Chief Office Superintendent, Personal Branch of Madurai Division. Mr. Sabari? Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
You have to speak. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir. I'm DM
Good evening.
Sabarinath, working as... Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sabrinath.
Thank you, sir.
Next is, thank you. Next is from TPJ division, Mr. Venkatesan. He's a lab technician from Golden Rock.
Good evening. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, Mr. Venkatesan. From Chennai division, Mr. Hemasundar is a junior clerk from DST Madras, DST office Madras. Mr. Hemasundar. Mr. Hemasundar, unmute, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening, Hemasundar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Next, as part of the official office bearers, I would like to introduce Mrs. Ramya as Joint Secretary Administration. Mrs. Ramya, are you there? Yeah. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you. And next, as Joint Secretary Establishment, Mr. Srinivasulu is tenured to Secretary to our Southern Railway GM. Thank you, Mr. Srinivasulu. Thank you. Then, as State Treasurer, Mr. N.S. Purushothamaraj. He is Chief Staff and Welfare Inspector from CPO Office.
Good evening.
Purushothamaraj.
Good evening
to
one and all.
Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. And as a state organizer, the Young and Energetic SSC, TRD, PCC Office, Madras, Mr. Jyoti Raman.
Good evening to one and all.
Very, very good evening, Jyoti. Thank you. And on my request, readily, sir has accepted. He is none other than Rajavasha Adhikari from Madurai, Mr. Srinivasan. He has ready to accept the post of Vice President Resources. Srinivasan, sir?
Namaste,
Can
sir.
we see
Good
you, sir?
evening. Very happy.
Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very happy.
Thank you, sir. So kind of you, sir. So kind of you. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Thank you. Now, the last but not the our great sir. It is our president. Sir, we are very happy. Sir, we already heard about Bhaskaran sir, about you. The way you encouraged our people in Southeastern Railway. So I request our state organizer Ramya to hand over the bouquet to sir and grace the occasion.
Good evening.
Vikram scarf.
Yes, sir. And our state organizer, Mr. Jyoti Raman, kindly wear the scarf.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, now, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we will take an oath of Scout promise. I'll recite. Yes, Miki, sir?
Sir, we have a shawl to honor our respected president, sir.
Please
Please go ahead.
Please.
Sorry to interrupt.
Please.
Sorry to interrupt.
Please, please.
Saikia sir, can we go ahead for the promise reaffirmation?
Sure.
Okay, Vikram, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll say the promise. Everyone can repeat it. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best
I will do my best
to do my duty
to do my duty
to God and my country,
to God and my country,
to help other people,
to help other people,
and to obey
and to obey
Scout and Guide law.
Scout and Guide law.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, Meki, sir.
Thank you, Bikram.
Thank you.
Now I request first address by President of Southern Railway State SGF, Mr. Bhaskaran.
My dear Scout family, good evening, one and all. It is a proud privilege for me to be the president of
Sir, Wakandranga. Bhaskaran sir, Wakandranga.
Ukandan looking tall.
That's great.
Okay. I am very much privileged to be the first president of SGF of Southern Railway. I was very happy to be the first president of Southwest also. When I started improving things there, suddenly my transfer came. Now after coming here, I was requesting AGM and GM to make me as one of the office bearer of Bharat Scouts and Guides. But before that process could start, then SGF has come. So now I am part of the scouting family as an active member. Again, of course, Southern Railway, I was not that happy when I was vice president, when I was CWM Kodunur. I was trying to make a lot of improvements, a lot of inspections, but it was not getting materialized. But now everything will come true. So now I have become SGF president. We will show how the activities all of a sudden will improve and make things happen. So that assurance I will give you all. So right from the day go, we are putting our effort, and then we'll be starting all the activities. I assure all of you that from our team, we will do the best to improve the scouting activities in this area. Not only in this area, we will also get involved in improving the scout activities everywhere. In fact, maybe after my retirement in December, I should be able to host any such activity in my own place even. So that is possible. We'll be able to provide huge space and then accommodation for doing any type of rally. 4 or 5 acres or 10 acres, we should be able to provide without much problem. This is the first. I have also been installed on almost the first like program on video conference. Okay, that is also another mark we are making. Now we will have monthly meetings. Whenever president meeting is there, we will give very good programs. In fact, officially also we are arranging large number of video conferences. In fact, one video conference was going on. I have broken in between and then come for this program. So thank you all for giving us the opportunity. As a team, I assure on behalf of my team, I assure that we will do the best and make a mark and become an example for all others to emulate our action. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request new installed organizing secretary for vote of thanks or State Secretary.
Good evening to all. That's a lovely poem. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but miles to go before I sleep. In this lovely journey of life, where we have to go miles, there are milestones are to be created. And today is a day where there is a milestone created in ISGF and SRSGF. And this has been made true, come true with the true visionary admirer and visionary, our president, first president of SRSGF, Honorable respected CST sir. We thank him from as part of all the members of SRSGF for providing such an opportunity for Southern Railway. As already has been told that SR has been instrumental in the railways, where the railways was made part of this ISGF, and now SRF is Southern Railway is joining SGF. And today, on this lovely occasion, I would like to thank our General Secretary, Ms. Seema Rati Madam, and National Treasurer and DCM Finance, High Speed Rail Project Surat, Ms. Padmini Pillai Madam, and President of Southwestern Railway State SGF, Hubli, Mr. Premnath, and Indian Railway SGF and SEC North Frontier Railway, North Frontier Railway, SEC for Bharat Scouts and Guides, Mr. Chandrakant Saika sir, and the President Executive of Indian SGF, Meki sir, and the person who was toiling very hard to make this happen from the field, Mr. Vikram sir, working president of SRSGF, and all other office bearers and members of ISGF and SRSGF. On behalf of our president and all members of SRSGF, we thank one and all for making this function a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Before closing the meeting, anyone want to ask something or speak something? Please free. Anyone want to talk something?
Special thanks
sir.
to Premnath. Premnath,
Yeah, he deserves it. Premnath deserves your thank.
Sir, I want to say one thing. Sir, our
Go ahead.
To our president, sir. Sir, I have met you in Pothanur along with my boss, Krishnamurthy, sir. I came to your chamber and I have seen the revolution you have done in the Pothanur workshop. Really, I got amazed. So once again, I feel very happy. So we will be under your guidance, and I think Southern Railway State SGF can do many things, and already they have some structured, planned program. So very shortly, we will be bringing it to your notice, sir. And with your guidance, I think we will work for the society and for the Bharat Scouts and Guides, especially the Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ananda.
thank you, thank you.